Your team has hundreds of blog posts, tutorials, and docs. Some still convert, some are outdated, many overlap. And when someone asks, "What are our best beginner tutorials on clustering?" you're stuck manually skimming pages. There's a better way. The challenge? Content intelligence at scale. Without structured metadata, your content is invisible to search systems, recommendation engines, and AI agents. You need features like intent, complexity level, and semantic clusters. But building that pipeline from scratch means wiring together pandas, async model calls, and custom batching logic. Enter Fenic, a PySpark-inspired DataFrame framework built for AI applications. This pipeline ingests your articles, adds cheap features like life and code presence, generates embeddings, clusters similar content, classifies narrative intent, estimates complexity, and exports agent-ready features, all in one reproducible workflow. You get two artifacts from this. First, a feature table with embeddings, cluster labels, intent classification, and complexity buckets for every article. Second, a cluster report with exemplars and LLM-generated summaries. Now you can answer questions like, "Show me beginner tutorials with code," or "What are our top content clusters?" instantly. This gives you 4 immediate wins. Power smarter RAG by filtering on intent and complexity. Build read next recommendations using semantic similarity. Run editorial analytics to find content gaps. And expose agent tools that query your content catalog without hallucination, just deterministic lookups. So why Fenic? Everything is a data frame transformation with first-class semantic operators. Add embeddings, classify intent, extract summaries, and export to Parquet or CSV, all with predictable costs and reproducible runs. No custom batching, no model SDK glue, just a clean pipeline from notebook to production. Try it with your own content. Open the Collab notebook, point it at your corpus, and watch your messy content archive transform into agent-ready features. Star the repo for more examples, and read the full breakdown for implementation details. Links in the description below.